Setting up your Google Chromecast Ultra is easier than ever, and it unlocks a world of streaming possibilities in stunning 4K resolution with HDR. To get started, first plug the Chromecast Ultra into your TV's HDMI port and connect the included power adapter to a power outlet. Unlike standard Chromecast models, the Ultra requires an external power source to support high-resolution streaming and stable performance. Once connected, switch your TV input to the HDMI port where the Chromecast is plugged in. You'll see a welcome screen prompting you to download the Google Home app on your smartphone or tablet. The Google Home app is your central hub for controlling the Chromecast, configuring Wi-Fi settings, and linking streaming services. Open the app, tap Set up device, and follow the on-screen instructions to connect your Chromecast Ultra to your home Wi-Fi network. Make sure your phone is connected to the same network during setup. After connecting to Wi-Fi, the app will guide you through signing into your Google account and naming your Chromecast. This makes it easier to identify in the app, especially if you have multiple devices. You can also adjust preferences like TV resolution, guest mode, and whether your device will automatically receive updates. Guest mode allows friends and family to cast content to your TV without connecting to your Wi-Fi network, which is especially handy during gatherings. Once setup is complete, you can start casting content from supported apps like YouTube, Netflix, Disney+, or Spotify directly to your TV. Just look for the cast icon in your app, select your Chromecast Ultra, and your video or music will appear on the big screen. You can control playback, volume, and other settings either from your phone, tablet, or even with Google Assistant-enabled smart speakers for hands-free control. For advanced users, Chromecast Ultra supports Ethernet connectivity using the included power adapter with an Ethernet port. This can provide a more stable connection, especially for streaming high-bandwidth 4K HDR content. You can also use the Google Home app to manage multiple Chromecasts, group devices, and stream the same content across several TVs simultaneously. By following these steps, you'll have your Chromecast Ultra up and running in no time, ready to deliver high-quality streaming directly to your TV. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, or mirroring your phone or computer screen, Chromecast Ultra makes it seamless and convenient. If you found this guide helpful, please like and subscribe for more tech setup tutorials and tips.